Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Hey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one doing this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Before we head out, gotta run to the store real quick. Get some stuff for the family before I leave. You know what I mean? Little breakfast before I leave. If I won't leave just like that. We're getting ready. We got everything here. We got everything in the bag. Got everything on. I'm gonna set up. Alright, so we're getting set up. I got my booth, my tent all set up. And we're gonna put everything down. Whatever I have to sell, we're gonna put everything down. Bike set up right now. This joint. Put this on. Have all the vendors and shit like that right here. We got the lowrider bikes over there. Then we're gonna have the lowrider cars over there. We got my man's over here doing his thing. He came by. What up, what up, what up?
See the bottom?
Yeah, yeah.
It means the rust.
It does, yeah. We got my man's right here. We got my setup, my booth, everything here, chilling. Muchas gracias. What's going on, guys? So with this part, I gotta do a little voice over because of the music. But as you can see, this booth right here is the family. I call them family, homegirl, next generation. They're out of Passaic, New Jersey, and they got a lot of the cool, a lot of the OG homies style shirts. They also got necklaces. As you can see, it's pretty cool. I mean, they got a nice booth going on there, and they got a nice store. Right there, this tent right here that they giving away. They're doing a raffle, a free raffle over here. Over here, we got the homies, the lowrider bikes. You know what I mean? This is, some of the people that, every time I go to shows, we link up every time, you know what I mean? So they like, second cousins, family, you feel me? Like, it's nothing too crazy, but this is how we do it, man. We show love, always. 4 o'clock? All right, yeah, leave it here and I'll change it out for you, all right? Thank you. Hello. All right, yeah, I got you. No problem.
Sweet.
Yep.
It's gonna like lay it out more too.
Yeah, yep, it will.
What do you get on the bar?
I got this one for, let me check.
You don't have them in chrome?
Huh?
You don't have them in chrome, only gold?
Just gold. ¿Cómo aquí lo quiere? Sí.
Para abajo así la vaina.
A mí no me gusta poner esto para que no se...
Se patinan.
Sí.
Porque esta madre le puse y se patina también, se mueve.
Así es.
Es protección.
Ahí está. Así juqueado.
¿Cuánto te debo, Juan?
¿Ah?
¿Cuánto?
No, nada, no te preocupes. Capo, what up, homie? Hello.
Perfect.
I'm gonna get that shit. What's up, homie?
Perfect.
¿Cómo estás? Chilling, bro. Look at that limo.
What do you like better? The lines or the dots?
Damn. I think the dots.
The dots, right? No,
My opinion. Hello. I wish I could be over there, but I gotta be here, you know what I mean? But my bike is good, chilling.
your bike is cool.
Wait. So what are you doing here? What's that? This is
It's a cooler.
y esto no trabaja. This is cooler.
I got wired just to make believe people something, but it's not in there.
Ah, shit, yo.
Okay. Cool.
Yo tengo 10 cada uno o 3 para 25. Yo, Evo. Over here.
I'm like, yo, I heard my name,
What's
man.
up, bro?
Yo, I got a bike I'm up in you, man.
Word, let me know, man. I'm working on here right now.
That shit in the bronze, right? For $25.
What?
One of them purple ones.
Yeah.
But, and yo le di,
Un brillo.
tenía mojo.
Yeah.
De fucking mojo tenía. But I gotta do this shit.
Yeah.
I gotta do that. Just so you can just hook it up for my teto.
All right. Yeah, let me know.
Just little shit, just so she can ride. I want her to ride.
Yeah, like I got shit here. I got purple stuff here.
Oh yeah, no, he got stuff too.
I got purple stuff
Oh,
here.
you got the
some
bell. Get out of here.
And so,
Crazy, man. How much is the bill?
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
Fuck it, let's get it. Babe, let's put a bill on. Which one you want?
Hello. How you doing? Well, my hands are dirty.
It's all right.
What's up? Yeah, I got you.
Right there in la cajita.
On that one? All right, give me a little. I'm fixing on that one real quick.
Está bien.
All right. Word. Yo no tengo cambio. Yeah, yo no tengo cambio ahora.
Coge 10 y me da 10.
I only even got 10. You got 20s.
¿Te digo right there o te lo traigo?
Yeah, let me know. You know what I mean? Whenever you're ready. You know. Oh, here, for spending more than 25 is for you.
Oh, cool.
All right? You go, so you're going to take it to the front, and then I think you get like a goodie bag or something.
Babe, get a free goodie bag.
Well, I think it's part to a raffle or something, but you take it out front. Okay, so what I got to do is, my bad. Hello.
I don't know which one to. Yeah. Oh, you got the.
I got those for $20, $25, $15.
So this one's gonna be tough for me.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Let me see. Nah, I don't want to.
You got the washer too?
I was gonna put the washer on the outside, but you can see it, and it's not a little rusted.
Yeah.
It's gonna look a little ugly.
The new and the old.
Should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about doing it to my Honda, pero bike rack and shit or something if I could put, cause I be going to a lot of shows.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, mi gente. Yo, shout out to everybody that was destined just to be. Déjame decirles algo a todos los que están aquí. Todos son especiales. El simple hecho de que hayan nacido es que están destinados a ser algo grande. Yeah, yeah. Y para todos los que saben, a mí me late un chingo la música. Todo esto. Mira, nosotros venimos desde lejos, desde Pensilvania, desde Nueva York, desde Delaware. Yo, esto es en realidad por amor al arte. Ya, shout out a todos los que están aquí, las caras familiares. Shout out Chino Bicicleta, what's good. Yeah, yeah, ahí les va esta, para que entiendan. La música es mi religión.
Mi música es mi religión y mi verdadero. Si no escucho barras, yo ni duermo. Ya despertar con rimas millones, lista para la lucha. Soy técnica y ruda, piensan que soy de New York, porque a veces ni saludan. No necesito tomar, así soy, no es que esté cruda. Y si se trata de batallas, no me echo para atrás. Los dejo congelados como la medusa. Un juego estratégico, hay que saber jugar. Esto es ajedrez, juego la reina. Y cuando diga hit, tú dices ha.
Recuerden, no se queden sin boletos para la rifa esta tarde. Ahí con amigos libres de Generation. Amiga Ruth.
Hell yeah, bro. Damn, look at the smoke.
AI video of me standing in the back.
my boy did his thing right here with, you know, with the engraving. I think that's how you call it. I'm not sure, but he did his thing with his mirrors, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. This is nice, official, and we definitely gonna be working together in the near future, guys.
Next Generation también, con cada compra o si quieres comprar después del ticket, con la vida Lowe's va a tener 4 armadores. Primero, segundo, tercero y cuarto lugar. A 10 pesitos sus tickets, cada uno va a tener rifa. Suerte para todos, que ya casi después de los chineros se va a hacer la rifa, Así que ya estamos vestidos, ya se les avisó.
My boy work with his butt bag on, you heard? All the time. All the time.
Yeah, bro, you was like, yo, at the show, I got you, bro.
Man, that's all I was thinking about this weekend. I gotta fix my tire. I gotta fix my tires. Yeah, those some clean ass tires too, right? I bet you the inner tube is fucked up.
I don't think so.
Nah?
I don't know. Now, you good, you good. Walking with Miss Lily. About to get some grub with the gangy.
Out here about to eat some tacos.
About to eat some tacos real quick before we head home back to PA. Got some tacos with the homegirl Miss Lily. And right there. Hell yeah. Bien provecho, bien provecho. Word. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. God bless. Until next time.